Microsoft Outlook is the email client included with the Microsoft Office suite. The following are its key functions. It manages email, calendars, contacts, tasks, to-do lists, and documents or files on the hard drive. It helps you communicate through email, phone support, and group scheduling capabilities. It assists you in information sharing by means of public folders, forms, and internet connectivity. Let's dive in! That's it! Those are all 25 shortcut keys to help you navigate Outlook faster. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more tips. See you next time!